Mm. Oh, god damn. So that actually like just relieved that little space, that little spot that was kind of feeling tense from sitting on that ball. That's wild. Mm. That's wild.